It's a showdown in Soledad Canyon as Gears and Gasoline absolutely send their Civic against a new Type R. Can they handle the heat, or will a surprise Speedster change the game? Oh, look who showed up! Let's put these parts to the test. I have strived to make every race and build better than the last. The journey has been full of unexpected turns. Oh, that's what I'm talking about! Windows down and everything. But I've always managed to find that extra gear. Try, fail, learn, but ultimately find a way. And I know some guys that roll the same way. This is Gears and Gasoline in their K-swapped Honda Civic, and this is Between Two Eyes. Oh, this is amazing! Yeah! This revs to 9K.
9,000.
Oh, this is nuts. This thing handles so well.
Oh, I love this car.
What a fun car.
Hey, I'm Ben.
And I'm Ben.
And we're from Lynchburg, Virginia, and we're professional YouTubers.
We're professional YouTubers, dude.
We build Honda Civics. I mean, technically, if you get paid for something, then you're technically a professional
That's
at it.
true.
So I'm a professional race car driver as well.
It's true, yeah. And that was kind of dramatic.
Well, it's a dramatic car.
That was fun. That's great.
Yeah, well, if that's fun, what do you think about this?
Okay, this is a new Honda Type R, and this is the FL5.
You want to see under the hood?
Let's do it. Oh, look at that. This is a K20 engine, about 315 horsepower, a little over 3,000 pounds. Compared to this,
We got 230 horsepower, but 2,300 pounds.
And what's crazy is that both of these are K-Series.
It's amazing how two cars that are so similar on paper can be so different. I think this Civic might have me in the straights, but my Civic for sure would beat this in the corners.
You want to see under the hood of that one?
yeah, enough with this. I want to see what's going on under here. You race this car in a limited power class.
Stock motor,
Okay.
so stock internals, but does have this gaff tape holding this mic on. I don't know if we want to move that.
This Civic, we built this 100% to go fast in time attack competition.
This motor, I've gone through 2 seasons now. It won the 2021 championship with it, and I've won 3 or 4 other events. It's got track records all over the place. For such a low horsepower car, it's pretty impressive. The engine is a K24 out of an Acura TSX. It's got suspensions, Fortunato Dreadnoughts. StockTech Trophy C43 brake calipers. It's got Falcon RT660 tires. They're 255 width, front aero, a rear wing, a drag racing front end, tire temperature sensors, close ratio gearbox. I can keep going.
The long and short of it is, if you've got a little bit of determination and then access to eBay Motors, you could build basically anything you want all the way up to a time attack Civic. Ben, I think one thing we've kind of overlooked is how much development you put into the aero on this car.
That is true. This car is actually really loose in the rear, so I've got a big wing.
Which might actually hurt you in the straights though.
Maybe, but I've got a friend that's got a Civic built specifically for drag, and I think that might be a little bit better in the straights. Hey, David!
You know about a straight line Civic, Amelia.
What's going on?
Look at this.
Long time no see.
Did I hear a turbo in there?
Maybe. My name's David Patterson from Atlanta, Georgia, and I drive really fast cars.
David Patterson, also known as That Dude in Blue, is an automotive content creator who's built some incredible rides and reviewed and tested over 1,200 project cars.
I'm here with some friends from Gears of Gasoline. They also grew up in Virginia. I grew up in Virginia, so we kind of have that bond, but they went a completely different way with their Civic. Theirs is a track-ready, full-fledged race car, but mine, it's a straight line beast. There is just something about an EG hatch because people want that analog feeling again because the new cars don't give it to you. So for the first time ever on a project car of mine, I don't think I'm gonna change any of the interior. Look at this amazing spray painted hood. It's so beautiful.
David, pop the hood, man.
Yeah.
This thing looks stock on the outside.
So there's clearly, yeah, this is a sleeper build. Why don't you tell us what's going on here?
Yeah, what size is this turbo you got here?
It's a 6262. Ironically, it's the less aggressive turbo on this engine. It's a 1992 Honda Civic SI with a K24 engine from a Honda Odyssey. Cozy wheels up front that are actually for a BMW. Big Toyo tires, Fortunato coilovers, and Skunk 2 control arms. It's a ripper, it's awesome.
How much power does it make?
It makes 500 wheel.
So twice what my car makes.
That's a lot of power.
Yeah, it's way out of hand. That sounds nice. If you're trying to get into cars, trying to get into tuner cars, the Honda platform is not intimidating. Plus, with how accessible parts are with eBay Motors, you don't have to go through old magazines like back in the day and order parts over the phone.
Hello there, yes, I'm looking to purchase some car parts.
With the guaranteed fit, you order it, it comes to your door, you put it on, and now your car is one step towards being really awesome.
So here's the competition that's going down. Since each of your rides are perfectly dialed for a different segment of this canyon road, it's you two versus me in a best of 7 heat. My Type R will run the full course. That Dude in Blue Civic SI will take the straights, while Gears and Gasoline will snake the S-curves in their Civic EK. We'll run it 4 times in the front half, 3 in the back. Let's see if your mods can bring home the W.
You think that FL5 can keep up with these 2 legendary golden era Hondas?
All right, you guys ready to race me?
See if you can keep up.
It's about time I showed you how to drive.
Oh, okay.
All right, you ready?
In 3, 2, 1, action.
What is happening? Holy smokes! Yes!
Oh man, his heart is built for this.
That was fun.
Oh no, he got the jump on me.
Ah, these cars are so much fun, man.
After 4 heats through the straightaway, it's tied at 2 apiece. Let's see how the Type R holds up against Gears and Gasoline's Time Attack Civic.
You're approaching your position, get ready for handoff.
30 seconds.
Try to catch up.
Oh, man. Tires are squealing. But I got power.
Woo! Did that really just happen?
How do you like them apples?
Through the corners, we were also racing daylight. The stock wasn't going down without a fight, hanging tight for both the straights and the curves and winning 3 laps, but ultimately the mods were perfectly dialed to take the crown with 4 wins.
That was wild. Golden era Honda. 500 horsepower, aero.
Yeah, it's like the best of both worlds. Well, I think it's awesome to show what a few modifications can do to a car, and we really got to put these cars to the test, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
If you've got a car searching for speed or something else entirely, find the parts for your ride on eBay Motors. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite moments and builds from Season 2 of Between Two Rides. Let's ride. What is going on, guys? We are here on day 1 of eBay Motors Between Two Rides Season 2. We have an incredible week for you guys to see, and I can't wait to bring you along the journey.
You talking to Jim?